Hello everyone, welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's video, we can create the complete floor plan step by step. In first step, we set the units of our project, and then we create the walls, and then we create doors and windows, and then we insert the block of our furniture, and we put the text, and then put hatches in our walls, and in the last step we put the dimension. So let's get started. In the command bar, we need to click UN for the units and then click enter. Here we have the drawing setup, in which you click on the units. Here we are, our units options. So I am working on the feet, so we can click on inches and then click OK. So in the floor plan, you click L for the line and then click enter. So our line is not straight. For the straight, we can click F8. So now the outflow is on. So we have a straight line. There. I'm creating the floor plan of an apartment. So let's take 25 feet at that side, and then 35 feet at that side. And again, you need to click 25 feet, and at that side 35 feet. So that's our outer boundary set. For the walls, we take 9-inch brick wall. So for that, what we need to do, type on the keyboard O for the offset, click enter, click at that point, and then put 9 feet, 9 and then feet, enter. Then click on the line, for the brick, we need 9 inches wall. So what we need to do, type O in the keyboard and then click enter, then click on this wall and press 9 inches, and again press enter, and then click on the wall this, and then at the outside. Again, for the 3 of your boundaries, click this and enter, this, enter, this. So here we set our boundary lines for the wall. Cancel. Then again click on this line and press C, enter, and enter 11 feet, and then again press O, enter, click this line, press 9 inches, enter, here we are. Go to that point, type DR, enter, clear that side, click on this wall, press C, enter, and then 7 feet, enter. Okay, then press O, enter, 9 inches, enter, like this. E, X for extend, click enter. So let's extend it. Select both of the lines, press C for copy, enter, and then press 15 feet, enter. Okay, so press EX for extend. Click DR for trim. E for delete. Select walls, press C, enter. Feet, enter, enter. Okay. Then DR, enter, enter. Extend this line, extend this line, DR, move and enter. 3 feet,